Hi everyone, my name is Safiyah and I'm 14 years old. I currently live in Dubai, but I'm from Sri Lanka and I live for sports. And that is a good example of why I love homeschooling and I love the system because I'm the owner of a YouTube channel as well. So I get to organize my time nicely without any delays and without having to cut out anything, and so I have lots of time for everything. So let me dive right into my schedule and why I love homeschooling so much. Foremost, my favorite subject is computing. At the moment, since it's so easy to understand, I love Python and binary numbers a lot since I picked them up quite easily. The fact that I was able to make my own codes and website is in Python was quite exciting. Of course, I had a lot of trouble starting school and I had no idea what I was doing, I'll admit it. But the ways of school grow on me quite quickly, so it wasn't much of a trouble later. Also, computing is one of the subjects I have finished. I'm just waiting for my next year holiday. So I like the system of the school because I get to start whenever I like, I get to finish whenever I like, and it's really simple since I'm a show jumper, a football player, and a cricket player. It's really easy, and I'm also the owner of a YouTube channel, like I have said before. So I'm really able to handle my time, and use it properly without wasting it. And back to the topic. I love how the canvas tells you what's the objective and what videos to watch, what pages to read, and they also provide a lot of videos that are which are actually really helpful for me because yeah, I just like watching videos. So it's really easy, and I know what I have to take notes of because they tell you write it down, read this, and so it's quite easy. It gives me more time, to study, because most of the time you're like, oh my god, what should I do? But here they have given you step by step what you have to do, so it's really easy and doesn't take any time. And that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Um, and I'll see you all in the next competition. Bye.